Alright, everyone, welcome back. Hopefully, this episode I can progress through this entire stage. I remember last episode, I was stuck here for millennia and I couldn't do anything. But yeah, hopefully it gets better from here. How do I get him to move? I remember I had to make some noise. Oh no. Oh yes! Okay. I don't know how that worked, but it worked somehow. So I'm just gonna act like I knew what I was doing and keep moving. Oh god. Okay, I gotta somehow duke this guy. He's coming, and I go down. Okay, I gotta run, quick. No. Is he following me? Okay, he's not. That's good. Please, 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 please. No! Oh, no. Oh, ah! You're such a prick. Oh my god, you're such a prick! No! No! I'm dead. Oh, I hate everything in here. Oh, I hate you. Can he move? No! Stay away from me! Stay away from me! Okay. I got him out of the way. This is like the 30th run. I'm not even joking. Nah! Oh, jeez. Huh? Oh, you can go down there? Oh, I didn't even know that. Alright, well, yeah. That's what I thought, bro. Oh! Man, I almost did it again. Oh! No. No. Back and forth. I gotta go now. No! I'm so close! No! A little bit more. Just please, a little bit more. No! I'm not letting you kill me. We're gonna be stuck here for the whole time. No! Oh wait, where's my rock? Do I not have the rock? Oh, balls. Move! Alright, he's moving. Wait, what? Oh, for the love of... All that is holy. The grub was on me, that's why I was triggering his mood sensing things. Ah! Damn it. Okay, he's spewing the acid, so he knows I'm down here. Okay. Oh, shoot. Oh, okay, good. Wait. Oh, finally. Okay, now I know what I'm doing. So you move, you jump, and you get him to move through the sticky grubs, or whatever they're called, and then he just gets stuck on them. And now I can progress through this stupid thing. Before it was RNG, but now it's because I'm smart. I don't feel invincible at all. Wait. No! No! Stupid. Look, there's nothing on your screen and you died. Yes, 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 yes. Bro. Come on. What are you do? Huh? Okay, is this like the dumbest thing in the world? So when I don't move, he comes to me, but when I do move, he's... You're a joke, bro. You're a joke. You're an absolute... See, look, even the slug cat thought you were stupid. Bullseye. How am I gonna get past it? Like, you're stuck. What are you doing? You enormous prick. Go away. It's just annoying. I'll kill you. You're stupid. Die. 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 Oh god. Oh no, no, no. How have I not killed you? I'm so shocked. How are you not dead? Oh, wait, I did it. Okay, okay. You. No, 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 no. So... Oh, wait, I made it. Okay. Oh my god, I made it. And I have half the amount of time. Oh no, oh no. Wait, is this way faster? Wait, is that faster? I think that might be faster. There's a lizard. Oh, you absolutely ginormous prick. Yes! Yes! Oh no. Okay, wait, hold on. He came through. Okay, good. Oh, I need to do this so fast. Is he coming? Oh, he's not coming. Oh, he is coming. God damn it. Alright. This is the most successful run so far. Jeez, no, what is that? Wait, it's blue. What the? How much time do I have left? I'm gonna cry. What? You? I can 100% do this. This is easy. It's no brain game. Alright, let's do this, I guess. Already here, we might as well. Please. Yes. Wait, this is the best run so far. But I have no time. I need to move. I need to hurry. Which I'm just gonna keep going to the left. That's gotta be like the right way, right? Nope. Maybe up? It might be up. Is it up here? I don't know. I have no idea. Wait, was I here before? Yes! Please! Yes! I'm so happy. Ooh. I feel like I've been here. Have I not been here? I think I've been here. No? Have I not been here before? There's a gate there. I don't want to go there. But wait, there's a bunch of stuff to the left. I just missed all of that. Was I not supposed to go there? Well, let's go here. That's going up. What's to the left? Is that food? Oh, it is food. Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh, this run is going amazing. It's going swimmingly. Magic mushroom. Do I want the magic mushroom? Actually, let me see if I can throw it at something. Maybe, I don't know, they might like eating it. Ooh, yes. Oh, what? Wait, he can go through that? That is ridiculous. Oh no, that is ridiculous. Wait, hold on a second. Was I not here before? Wait, I was here before. Wait, why am I back here? Oh wait, no. No, wait, no. This is new. Interesting. It looked the same. I don't know. Am I meant to go down? I think I'm meant to. I saw. Oh no. Here? To here. I gotta run all the way down here. Finally, into the last arrow. What was the point of that? What did that do for me? What did that actually do for me? That was a waste of time. Oh, that was a waste of time. I need to go up there somehow. I think it's here. It's where I went. No. This one. Yep. And I need to figure out how I can get to the other side. Is that a ledge? Okay, this is good. So far. Yes. Okay, wait. I'm onto something. Yes. Is it here? Okay, up here, and then I can finally go up. Oh my lord! I did it. Alright, that was easy. Just took a little bit of time to understand. This worm, I love this worm. God, it makes this game so much easier. Oh no. Thank you. Which one can I land on? I can't say which one I can land on. Okay. Why are there two? Oh no. I don't think I'm living. Alright, I guess I found a new place to die. Great. Magic mushroom. Let your power shine. Okay, it's not here. I'm happy. Any day's a good day when you don't see that stupid thing that. Oh. No! Is this the waiting game? Am I just gonna wait here for you until you pop out? How did I live that? Oh, nice. Wait, you're stupid. I can't be wasting time. Can you go up on this pole? Oh, you can. Wow. What did I get? What is that? New arenas unlocked. Sandbox item unlocked. The lizard? Does that mean I get to use the lizard? I'm assuming I can land on this one. Can't land on that. Can land on this. Oh, I'm so dead. I can't believe it. I can jump onto you. I've literally got my face on my screen because I can't mess this up. Alright, slow and steady. Can I go up there? No, alright. Okay, which one can I jump onto? The big ball. Alright, which is the next one I can jump onto? This tiny thing. Okay. Nice. Is there any like shortcut I can do? No. Alright. Which one can I jump onto? That. Right. Oh no. Can I jump on the bowl? I can't. Wait, no. I meant to go down. Or to the side. I can jump on that. I can jump on this. Silly boy. You thought you could get me. Yes! Yes! No more misery, no more pain. I have made it. Huh? Oh my lord, it is dark. Oh, thank God. I almost died there. I almost died there. Oh my goodness. I knew there was a pole there, that's why I did that. Yes, yes, yes! Right. Well, sorry guys, I have to leave it there because I have worked. I've worked. Yes, I'm employed. Oh. Anyway, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.